Welcome to Online Digital Bookstore. Our latest guide has 7 surefire attention-grabbing tips that will absolutely help you when it comes to people, being on stage, or even on Zoom calls. If there's one thing you look at today, make sure you look and listen to this video. Let us begin. Grab their attention at the beginning. A good beginning is going to make all of the difference when it comes to the attention the audience will give to you. Your goal is to catch the attention of the audience within the first 30 seconds, or they will get bored and not want to listen to the rest. Use something like an interesting anecdote, a startling statistic, or another option that is going to garner the attention that you want as you get the speech rolling. Know your audience. Before you give and start to work on the message, you need to consider who will listen to that message. While most of the research should be done on the topic you would like to present on, you also need to know about the audience. This can help you decide the level of information, the words, and how you would like to organize the information. This can do wonders when it is time to start preparing. Dress nicely. Since you will be right in front of others, you need to consider the outfit that you wear. The exact outfit will depend on who you will be in front of. Something like business casual or dressier is often the best. Never go in an outfit that is worn out and looks horrible, or you will ruin your reputation and kill the credibility that you need. Work with the nerves. Everyone gets nervous when it comes to giving a presentation. The way that you handle the nerves will determine how well you will do with the presentation. Whether you practice the script a million times or you use meditation or visualization, it is important to learn how to keep the nerves calm and collected. Avoid reading the script. You should never write down every word that you want to say during your speech and then read off the document. This would be a nice way to make sure that you do not forget some of the things you want to say, but it does not look all that professional at all. You can still use a few note cards to help, but you will not need them because you have enough confidence in the speech without them. Project your voice. Depending on the size of the room, you may need to talk to a lot of people. You do not want it so that just the person who is in the front of the room is the only one able to hear you. While projecting does not mean that you want to scream, especially when you are in a smaller room, it does mean that you should work to make your voice easier to hear no matter where the other people are sitting. Use the pause. We have become too scared of the pause. We scramble through all of the words that we can without a stop because we think that is the best way. However, this is not a good idea. It is going to make the message get lost and will speed up too much. Learn the right times to make a pause, such as at the end of a sentence or the end of a paragraph, to help improve the flow of the speech and get the results that you want. Good news is that anyone can learn some of these tips mentioned in this video, and implementing these tips will give you a head start in grabbing anyone's attention.